Welcome to our guide on decorating a modern hangout room. Today, we'll explore how to transform a blank canvas into a stylish and cozy space using a range of components. Before we start, decide on a color palette that suits your taste and sets the mood. Now, let's get started. Begin by laying down a plush area rug to define the seating area. Next, position a comfortable and chic sofa as the room's centerpiece. Add a coffee table in front of the sofa for practicality and style. Surround it with accent chairs to provide extra seating. Now, let's set up the media center and bookshelves. These components not only entertain but also showcase your personal style. Lighting is crucial. Hang chic lighting fixtures to create ambience. Don't forget curtains or blinds for privacy and light control. Inject personality with carefully chosen wall art and decorative throw pillows for that extra pop of color and texture. For convenience, position side tables within reach of your seating. And utilize a console table against the wall for both function and aesthetics. If you desire warmth and reflection, consider a fireplace as a focal point and add mirrors to create the illusion of space. For a lively hangout room, a well-stocked bar cart with drinks and games can make all the difference. Ensure comfort and air circulation with a stylish ceiling fan that complements your decor. Lastly, create a cozy reading nook by adding a window seat with comfortable cushions. Stay organized with chic storage units that keep clutter at bay. To showcase your favorite items, install floating shelves, and consider highlighting an accent wall for that wow factor. And there you have it, a modern hangout room filled with style, comfort, and personal touches. Remember, it's your space, so make it your own. Thanks for watching.